Hello student, how are you? Welcome again in math second first chapter and in practice set 1.2. So student, here question is given. So first we read example carefully. So see, the following table shows points on a number line and their coordinates. Then decide whether the pair of segments given below the table are congruent or not. So student, first we think when two segments are equal or congruent. So if the length of two segments are equal, means same length, that time we say both are congruent. मीन्स दिए गए सेगमेंट की लेंथ मीन्स थी क्या, डिस्टेंस। तो हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे, ये जो सेगमेंट है, सेगमेंट डी ई एंड सेगमेंट ए बी, एंड द डिस्टेंस ऑफ दिस सेगमेंट मीन्स इट्स लेंथ। इफ बोथ द लेंथ आर इक्वल, दैट टाइम वी से segment DE and segment AB both are congruent. Otherwise, it is not congruent. How can you find the distance between 2 points? So again, we write their coordinates. So here, for segment C, we write for segment DE. Then from table, tell me the coordinates of point D. The coordinate of point D equal to, see the coordinate of point D, that is -7. So we write here -7. And coordinate of point E. So coordinate of point E, that is 9. Then you know how to find the distance between 2 points. That is distance between point D and E. अब दोनों की कोऑर्डिनेट में से जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स छोटा होगा उसे हम क्या करते हैं, माइनस करते हैं, और फिर हमें क्या मिल जाता है, डिस्टेंस। यू नो डिस्टेंस इज नेवर नेगेटिव। डिस्टेंस फाइंड करने के लिए जो बड़ा कोऑर्डिनेट्स है उसमें से छोटा कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या करना है, आपको माइनस करना है। तो सी द coordinate of point T, that is 9, and this 9 is greater than -7, so we subtract this -7 from 9. How can we write this? 9 minus and minus 7, that is 9, and this minus minus plus, so 9 plus 7, that is 16. So distance DE equal to 16 means its length, distance or length, both are same. So length DE, that is 16. Give first equation, no problem. Then find the distance between point AB or segment AB. So again, by same method, if you write here coordinate of point A, see what is the coordinate of point A? -3, so we write here -3, and coordinate of point B, that is 5. Then tell me what is the distance between point A and B. Again see which coordinate is greater. किसका कोऑर्डिनेट्स बड़ा है, तो B का कोऑर्डिनेट्स 5 और A का -3 है। तो क्लियर है कि B का कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या है, बड़ा है, और this 5 is greater than -3. So again subtract this -3 from 5. So here it is 5 then minus, again it is minus, so we write in bracket. So this 5 and then again minus minus plus 3. So distance AB equal to 8. Where that is its length. So L equal to AB means D or L both are same. So length AB equal to 8. Then C 1 and 2. Here distance or length D is 16 and length AB is 8. Then how it possible? So we say both are not congruent. Why? Because length B is 16 and length AB is not equal. So we write length DE is not equal to length AB. Therefore, we write segment DE and segment AB are not congruent. It is clear? तो कैसे आपको पता करना है कि दिए गए सेगमेंट्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट है या नहीं? तो उनके डिस्टेंस फाइंड कीजिए. इफ द डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल देन से द गिवन सेगमेंट्स आर इक्वल, अदरवाइज से इट इज नॉट congruent. Then see question number 2, segment BC and segment AD. So think first about segment BC. We say the coordinate of point B and C. Then find out which coordinate is greater. Find the distance AB and distance between AD. If both the answer is same, that time say both are congruent. Otherwise, same method, it is not congruent. So see for segment BC, coordinate of point B, that is 5. Coordinate of point C, that is 2. So this 5 is greater. So we know orally 5 minus 2 distance between BC is 3. But write each and every statement. So here distance BC equal to this coordinate is greater. So we write 5 minus 2, that is 3. And that is the length BC, that is 3. Then for segment AD, for segment AD, again write the coordinates of point A and D. So coordinate of point A. See what is the coordinate of point A? That is minus 3. So we write here minus 3. Then coordinate of point D. AD is here. So D, that is minus 7. Then again see which coordinate is greater, this minus 3 or minus 7. So which coordinate is greater here? So on number line, you know 0, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, number goes decreases. So all negative number is less than 0. So here minus 3 is greater than minus 7. So we subtract minus 7 from minus 3. So distance AD equal to minus 3, that is the greater number. So minus in bracket minus 7. So minus 3 plus 7, that is plus 4. Plus minus minus and greater number. Therefore, distance between point AD, that is 4, and therefore length AD equal to 4. You see 1 and 2. Here length BC is 3 and length AD is 4. So again both are not equal. So we say both are not congruent. So how can we write? Length BC is not equal to length AD. If you write here reasons, write from 1 and 2. BC and segment AD are not congruent. Then see this question number 3. So here segment BE and segment AD. So AD, you know, AD is 4, so no need to find out here. But if question is separate, then find by same method. So see whether it is congruent or not. So first we find for this segment. For segment BE. So first write the coordinate of point B. Coordinate of point B, that is, so we write coordinate of point B, that is 1, and coordinate of point E, that is 9. Then see the coordinate of point E is greater than the coordinate of point B. So find the distance. So distance BE equal to 9 minus 5, that is 4. And here distance AD is 4. So we say it is congruent. If you want to write each and every step, no problem. यहाँ पे AD के स्टेप्स दिखाए गए हैं. यदि आपको लिखना है तो आप पूरी तरह से लिखो, या तो डायरेक्टली AD इक्वल टू C and distance AD. Here it is length. So length BE equal to, and this distance AD 4, that is length AD equal to 4. Here we write all these steps. So length BE equal to length AD from 1 and 2, and therefore we say both segments are congruent, means segment BE congruent to segment AD. Okay, see all the steps.